Hi, this is Miss Christina. Today we're going to read I Stink. This is the front of the book. This is the back of the book. This is the spine. We're going to go in and find the title page. There it is. I Stink by Kate and Jim McMullen. Who am I? I've got lights, 10 wide tires, no AC. Not me. I've got doubles, steering wheels, gas pedal, brakes. I'm totally Dulop. Know what I do at night while you're asleep? Eat your trash. That's what. See those bags? I smell breakfast. Crew, get me to the curb. Lights, blink. Brakes, squeal. Tailgate, say ah. Feed me. Straight into my hopper. Nice toss, guys. Stop! Hopper's full. Hit the throttle. Give me some gas. Rev me to the max. Engine roar. Roar. Did I wake you? Too bad. Pistons, bring on the crusher blade. Blade, push back the bags. Squeeze them, crush them, mash them, smash them. Whoa, those bags are way compacted. Burp. Ah, now I have room for some alphabet soup. Get a load of my recipe. Apple cores, banana peels, candy wrappers, dirty diapers, eggshells, fish heads, gobs and gobs of gum. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Half-eaten hot dogs, icky ice cream cartons, jam jars, kitty litter, lobster claws, moldy meatballs, nasty neckties, orange peels, puppy poo, quail bones too. So we have H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q. Rotten radishes, smelly sneakers, toothpaste tubes, ugly underpants, vacuum bags, watermelon rinds, extra large t-shirts, year-old yams, zipped up ziti with zucchini. Thank you very much. R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you very much. What's that? You think I stink? Hoo-wee! Do I ever? No skunk ever stunk this bad. Go on and hold your nose. But without me, you're on Mount Trasharama, baby. Next stop, the river. Lights of flesh. Driver reverse. Get me to the barge. Hear me blast my backup rap. Beep, 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 hey. Beep, beep, out of my way. Ready, crew, action. Pins, out. Power takeoff switch, hit it. Tailgate, separate. Up, 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 tailgate sweeper, eject, plop. I'm empty, I'm beat. You're waking up now, but I need some Z's. Back to the garage, crew. Hose me down and gas me up. See you tomorrow night, guys. Who am I? The garbage truck. That's who. The end.